Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you know how important it is to keep your assets secure. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Stellar tokens from Revolut to your Ledger Nano X. This process is simple, but always remember, we're dealing with real money, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is all set up. Update your device to the latest firmware. By 2025, Ledger might have even more enhanced security features. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer and install the Stellar app on your device. This is crucial because it allows your Ledger to interact with the Stellar network. Next, on your Ledger Nano X, navigate to the Stellar app to generate your wallet address. Write this down or keep it handy. It's a long string of characters, so accuracy is key. Now, hop over to your Revolut app. Go to the crypto section, select your Stellar holdings, and look for the withdrawal or send option. Enter the wallet address from your Ledger into the recipient field in Revolut. Double-check that it's correct to prevent sending your funds to the wrong place. That's a common mistake that could lead to permanent loss. Specify the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to check for any network fees, which might have changed by 2025 due to updates in the Stellar blockchain. Once you're ready, confirm the transaction in Revolut. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so review all the details. On your Ledger device, approve the transaction when it pops up. This adds an extra layer of security since your Ledger requires physical confirmation. After that, sit back and wait for the transfer to complete. Depending on network congestion, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours. Once it's done, you can check your balance in Ledger Live to confirm your Stellar has arrived safely. A few quick tips. Always use a secure internet connection, enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts, and never share your private keys. By moving your crypto to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X, you're taking a big step toward protecting your investments in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.